When you solve an equation, you want to get the variable by itself. And to do that, you move things to the other side. You undo operations by doing the opposite, the inverse. So in this case, we want to undo that square. We want this little 2 exponent to go away. So what is the opposite, the inverse of square? It's square root. If I take the square root of this side, that just cancels this out, and I end up with x. But whatever you do to one side, you have to do the other side of the equation. So let's take the square root of 64 as well. What that is asking is what number multiplied it by itself gives us 64. And if you look at the table below, you see that it is 8. 8 squared is 64. So it would be 8, but it wouldn't just be positive 8. Negative 8 times negative 8 is also 64. So you put a plus minus. This says positive 8 and negative 8. This works the same way with fractions. Again, to undo the square, I need to take the square root, and that cancels out, and x is by itself. I have to take the square root of this entire fraction. So that means the square root of 64, which we said is 8 and negative 8. And the square root of 25, that is 5 squared. So it would be 5. So the answer would be 8/5 or negative 8/5. So put that plus or minus sign there.